Welcome to DigiBuddy. In this video, I will be explaining two methods by which you can screen record on your smartphone. The first way is using your default screen recorder, and the second way is using an external screen recorder. So let's look how you can use your default screen recorder. For that, navigate to your notification bar. Here you can see the screen recording option. By tapping it, you can enable screen recording. In order to go to screen recording settings, just hold on the icon. In the settings, you have basic settings like video resolutions, frame rate, etc. You even have the feature to record system sound and microphone sound together or individually. In recording settings differ from device to device, as it is based on the OS that it runs on. So that's how you use default screen recorder for screen recording. Now the second way is using an external screen recording app. So I recommend an app called Screen Record. For that, open your App Store or Play Store. Here search for Screen Recorder. Here you will get a bunch of screen recording apps, but we will select the second screen recording app, which is in the blue icon. Here install it. This is a lightweight screen recording app. So whenever you record with it, you will get a lag-free smooth screen recording. So let's open it. Just click on the settings on the top right corner. Here you will get a bunch of settings that you can play with. For example, here you can add your face cam while screen recording. You can even screen record while the screen is off. So let's go to the video settings and click on FPS. So you can see it supports 120 FPS. Most of the default screen recorder doesn't support this. So if your device supports 120 FPS, then you can go for it. Click on resolution. Here you can select the resolution on which you want to record your videos. So that's how you can use the default screen recorder or an external screen recorder for screen recording on your smartphone. So that's it for this video. If you want us to cover something next, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.